Jupiter and Saturn.
That's very good. This is Peter. This is Yuko.
Well, good evening. Walkie Astronomer here. I'm sitting here in the sun. Sun's in my eyes, and it's the 22nd of December, one day after the conjunction date for Jupiter and Saturn. But today they should still be about 7.5 arc minutes apart instead of 6 minutes as they were yesterday. And yesterday I was clouded out, so I'm going to try to see them today. Now I've got my telescope pointed at the moon. I've used the moon for focusing, and the reason I'm in the sun is because, well, the sun hasn't set yet, and I've got my window open so I can see the sky in the west, and I can get an idea of whether it's cloudy or clear. And actually it's looking like there's a lot of clear spots now. So I'm going to slew to Jupiter now. See if I can spot it in the daytime. I'm going to watch the telescope. It's going in the correct direction. And you can see in the camera there, a lot of the time it's white, but sometimes it goes blue when we see bits of blue sky. You can see the sunlight on the inside of the dome there. Now, can I see Jupiter? It's not good conditions here. Got the sun in my eyes, trying to see stuff on the screen. Got cloud. Oh, that's cloud. All right, I found it. Okay, where's Saturn? There it is. Just under an hour before sunset. Daytime astronomy sucks. Maybe I should wear sunglasses. Yeah, see these dark circles here? We call them donuts or dust bunnies. Ooh. Yeah. They're caused probably by dust in the optical system, probably on the glass right in front of the camera sensor. And I can get rid of those by taking some flats, but I might do that later. Alright, maybe I will do flats. I'll go off the field like that. So now I'm just looking at sky. Capture flat. I'll do like 30. Start. So the donuts are gone now, and so is the blue sky. And so we now have them on a more neutral background. I can see some detail on Jupiter. I can see banding. So I might just check if the Great Red Spot is visible tonight. I'll just zoom in on Jupiter. Notice the orientation is different from what I'm seeing in the camera because my camera's rotated. But that doesn't matter. Just zoom in with this. Okay, I don't see the red spot. Just fast forward. Oh, there's an Io shadow transit. Okay, there's no red spot tonight. If we go back, this is going backwards in time. See, there's the red spot. So it disappeared behind, onto the backside of the planet. 7:15. Oh, it's only recently. It's 7:30 now. So now I just wait until it gets dark, or a little bit dark.
Can you see?
Yeah?
Good.
I got it live.
Good.
Yuko's coming.
Yuko come.
See that
Ooh.
Jupiter?
Oh.
It's Saturn.
That's very good.
Yep.
If darker, it's clear.
Yeah, it should get better when it gets darker.
Very
See,
good.
it's still daytime at the moment.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Congratulations.
Say hello.
Hello. To everybody.
Yeah.
Hello. This is Yuko. This is Peter. This is Yuko. This is Peter. This is Yuko. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Yeah, the seeing is terrible. You know, they're moving around like you're looking through a pond, and that's because they're low in the sky. So there's nothing I can do about it. Oh, is Saturn disappearing? Maybe they're both disappearing. Yep, I think I've lost it. Well, there you have it. The conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. Got to wait another 60 years for the next one.